Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Sobratur Romanda. I'm from class 3A English Education. This video I was made to complete my post-intermediate listening and speaking examen with my lecturer, Dr. Andes Mashwar in ED. So this time, I will explain about how to improve English speaking skill from a book called How to Improve English Speaking and How to Become a Confident and Fluent English Speaker by Melvin Lewis. So directly, Chapter 1. Why improve your English fluency? The first, being understood clearly. Basically, when you speak well, people will be able to understand you better and clearly. When you speak very fast, then people will not understand a single word that you say. Keep in mind that effective communication also depends on whether the audience is listening to you or not. The second, being more confident. If you develop a good speaking skill, then you will develop confidence as well. Then it will be easy to communicate when you travel and meet new people. One of the most interesting benefits of improving your English fluency is that you can travel around the world freely without worrying about communication issues. You have the chance to meet new people, both when learning in a group and when traveling. People usually get more open and friendly when you speak their language. Knowing foreign language lets you discover more and see the world from a different perspective from a fresh angel. When speaking English, one always has to choose appropriate wording and phrases to express themselves in meaningful way. However, when learning a foreign language, we start comparing it with the one we already know. As a result, we start paying more attention to the grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, and structure of our native language. Learning a new language helps improve your performance in other subjects too. The third, being able to convey authority. When you speak with a straighter voice, which implies authority, people will in turn take you seriously, thinking that you have an authority over them. Therefore, being able to entertain people. Speaking well can eventually entertain your audience and sustain their interest in your speech. Basically, good speaking skill help in giving your speech a variety in terms of the subject matter, volume, pace, tone, and others. The 5. Being able to build a rapport. In communication, it is very important that you keep connected with your audience. Good speaking skill will ensure engage your audience to listen to you. You'll be able to build good relationship with them through effective communication. The next, I will explain how to improve English speaking skill from another source from the YouTube video, namely Helena Daily English. If you want to improve your English speaking skill, the only thing you can do is to practice. You have to speak out sentences to improve your speaking skills. There is a tip for you to actually speak for yourself. This method also helps to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Number 1, the key is imitation. Like listen. Start by listen to a sentence English. The next, repeat. Pause the audio and repeat a sentence of praise. And the next, record. While repeat the words or sentence, record yourself. And finally, compare. This is the last part of this method. Listen to the original record, then listen to your recording, and compare the two. And the third, you can learn more about grammar, as well as improve your ideas and vocabulary. like expand your vocabulary. And number 4, listen as much as possible.
So I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.